Hi, in today's video we'll talk about how to qualify for the Lifeline program. Watch the video until the end to learn this and more. There are two ways in which you can qualify for Lifeline income-based eligibility or program-based eligibility. You or your household are eligible for the Lifeline program if the total household income is at 135% or below the poverty guidelines of the federal state. Note that this will often vary based on the size of your household, that is, the total number of people living at an address who share the household income and expenses. Program-based eligibility. You or your household could also be eligible for the Lifeline program if anyone in your household participates in federal assistance programs, such as Medicaid, Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program (SNAP), Federal Public Housing Assistance or FPHA, Bureau of Indian Affairs General Assistance, Supplemental Security Income (SSI), federally recognized or state tribal assistance programs, tribally administered temporary assistance to needy families (TANF), Veterans Pension or Survivors Pension Benefit, Food Distribution Program on Indian Reservations (FDPIR), and the Tribal Head Start. So that's how you qualify for the Lifeline program. Thanks for watching, and until next time.